A nice forecast here for this Easter Sunday. 29 in Plattsburgh, 37 in Burlington, 26 in Saranac Lake, same with Lebanon, 31 in Rutland. Temperatures are already on the rise. A little bit of that sun this morning has helped. We're finding some thin clouds, though, having crept in over the last hour or so. I think we will get some breaks from these clouds at times today. Not a completely overcast day, but there will be more clouds than sun and a little bit of a breeze picking up. That south wind around 15 miles per hour through the rest of the day. The breeze as well as the clouds are essentially what's ahead of the more potent system that arrives tomorrow. We'll have some major changes on tap for your Monday. So enjoy this Sunday while you can, because it will be quiet. 48 by about 11 o'clock, mid and upper 50s for our highs around 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and really nice weather all the way through late tonight. But then it starts to get even windier, and wind is just part of what we're expecting for this messy day tomorrow. That wind will peak area wide by tomorrow afternoon with wind gusts 35 to up to 50 miles per hour. And then just after that in the evening hours is when the wind will peak for the Seaway Valley, and they could see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So it wouldn't surprise me to see some power outages or even a little bit of damage possible during tomorrow's event. That is because of that wind. Wind will shift out of the west on Tuesday. That's as that system exits. Still going to be breezy, but wind will get better, and that west wind will pull in some cooler and drier weather behind that system. Ahead of it, though, nice and warm and quiet for today. We've got those clouds around, like I said, but quiet, relatively speaking, to tomorrow. Of course, I mentioned the wind, but we also have the rain. Those showers beginning overnight and early tomorrow morning. Watch through the day. While we will get some breaks, there will be some intermittent heavy rain, and along that cold front on Monday, that's going to bring us that wind shift and that wind picking up. We're also likely going to find some pockets of downpours that could include a few quick thunderstorms. Those will roll through in the afternoon and evening. There's that quiet, cooler, drier weather returning behind it. So just know that tomorrow is going to be messy when you factor in that rain and wind. The low 50s after a day in the 60s tomorrow, low 50s on Tuesday. Then we'll be in the 40s for most of the rest of the week. And although it's going to be cooler, a lot quieter all the way through Friday.